Hey guys, so this is Inca 4x4 and you're not going to want to miss this. Carlo goes over his whole setup on his Silverado with the Expedition trailer. He's got a whole bunch of cool features. Shout out to OPOP at Overland 1983 for filming this. And if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing. We do everything from gear review to organized trips. We have a great online store, Inca Overland Outfitters, where you're going to find the best prices and best gear. A lot of the things you see in this video, you're going to be able to purchase from the website at a great discount.
Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon. We're here, Scottles and Bottle here in Atlanta, Georgia. And today we have Carlos. You can follow him at NCR4x4 on Instagram. He also has a YouTube channel. My name is Oba. I'm with Overland 1983, also under Inca 4x4. So today we have Carlos right here. He drove all the way from Florida, and he's here at the event, and he's going to show us his truck and new products.
Hey, what's up, guys? Thank you all for the introduction. I'm Carlos from Inserte 4x4. Let's just do a quick walk around on my truck. Here I have a 1500 Chevy Silverado. I have 6 inches lift kit. I have 37 inches Nitro tires on black Rhino wheels. I have a front bumper from Road Country, and I have the winch for 12,000 pounds as well from Road Country. If we are gonna just keep going around the rig, I have the power steps from Real Truck, and I have also the tow mirror. But talking about the Overland and the purpose of the truck, I just give you a little bit introduction of my truck. But talking about accessories, I have my roof rack from Rhino Rack, and we have here, this is my shower awning. It is like where we take the shower, where we go to the bathroom. This is a new edition. It's a 2024 from Taruka. We have this shower awning, and I saw a lot of improvement between the previous company that I have and between the other companies that are on the market. Let me open here the shower here. We can see here that they have a zipper here that you can access to the cab. They have some mesh pouches that you can have all your shampoo, soap that you can hang here. They have for the shower head, and they have a LED light strip. I can talk about this shower and give you all the specification that is the same of the website, but I always like to say why I choose Taruka between the other brands. I will say this division here, they make a lot of improvement because my truck is high compared with a bunch of rigs that you always, everybody have a different rig, everybody always have a different lifted kit on their rigs. And I think so with this one, you can have some of the shower awning, you can move the height, but at some point you're gonna lose high or you're gonna lose on the bottom part. And this one you can play with that. They also have a strut that the awning will be open easily. You only have to push it and they come in. You don't have to drag it. You only, when you take the zipper, have a Velcro and magnet, and they will open. The canvas, it is a darkness edition. That way nobody can see it, even if we have the light. They have the roof and they have the floor. All that accessory coming with this shower awning. Talking here on the back, we have the base of my truck. It is an extrusion Overland bed track. It's full aluminum. It is a full customized. That means you can custom the height of the roof rack, of the bed rack. You can customize all the designs on the side. I have the slide out on the passenger side, and I have the access gate on the driver's side. The access gate, that means you can open this one. Right now I have my tent open, but when the tent is closed, you can open this one and access to the bed of the truck. And then the other side, the slide out, we see it in a minute. You can slide out and you can grab the stuff that you have attached to the bed of the bed track. That means you don't have to crawl in the back of the truck. We have this full aluminum cover for retract from Real Truck. You can operate this one with the phone. They will be open and closed. At some point, I feel like I'm missing a space when I use this cover, but when I noticed that the Extrusion Overland bed track, they allow you to mount the bed track on the top of the retract system, you see you don't have to drill any hole here. It is amazing because you can have all this set up. And when I have my deck drawer system plus the rack, I say, oh, I'm gonna lose a space here. But at some point, I feel safe when I go to the grocery stores when I'm out of state, because nobody can take my stuff. If at some point I have a big trip and I have to put more stuff, I just roll out my bed cover and they allow me to carry all the accessories. In here, on the back of the truck, we have the deck drawer system. It is the new edition 2024. I believe they just released it on December 2023. They are extended drawers that my drawers go all the way to the back. I mean, they are wider. They have cases. Now the cases are full waterproof, dust proof. I saw a lot of videos on internet. People run over this. I saw a lot of videos on internet. They throw the cases on the water. It is a good option to get these cases, even if you want to take it on the back of your truck. The deck drawer system allow me to carry all my tools on the side, my camping setup here. You just push it and you have everything there. Also are locked and also have compartment. I mean, I can go deeply on more videos on my YouTube channel that I have as well with all the accessories. We're just doing a walk around of the truck. Talking about back to the extrusion bed rack, just to give you a quick shoot video here. This is a slide out. That way you can have access to the gas tank or your propane tank. Let's gonna jump here on the trailer and then we're gonna keep going on the other side of the truck. Before we jump on the trailer, we notice here that I run in the Gen Y, the Boss, Gen Y hitch, the Boss. This new hitch from them, it is a torsion flex hitch. That this one allow me when the trailer starts to bump or start to go on the trail, the hitch will move and I'm gonna have a smooth riding on my trails. I mean, I noticed I've been doing some trails this weekend, and it was amazing how the game changer of that hitch, they make the improvement on the suspension between the trailer and the truck. Here, I'm the 2024 ambassador for Expedition Trailer. This is an off-track Phoenix trailer. I will be running this trailer for a few months, and then I'm gonna have another different setup. That way you can see on my channel. This one here is a full setup, a full Overland trailer. I'm gonna say that the best improvement on this trailer, or the best, what they different this trailer from the one on the market is all the suspension that this trailer have, okay? It is so easily to hit the trail. It's not just a camper. No, it is an off-road trailer. That means you can take it off-road. You can go to water crossings. You can do rock climbing with this trailer with no issues at all. We have the fridge here. All the trailer have a slide in and out. That way you can pack everything easily. Here we have the kitchen area. We have my stove, my sink. We have everything in this slide out. We have another tray here, pantry section. We have trays here that you can have more storage on this Phoenix edition of the trailer. And also this trailer is equipped with the radar system. In the radar system, if you can see here, we can go through all the settings. Right now I have my fridge is on, but also you can control everything. Let me just keep the cover here for the KC light. We can control everything here. Let me see. Now, here they have, this trailer is equipped with the radar system. You can see here that is a touch screen that you can turn on the lights. You can put an amber, or I mean, at some point the radar system is the main focus on all the power of this trailer. We have the 2000 amps inverter on the trailer. That means we have an outlet right there where you can connect stuff. We have an outlet here on this side of the trailer, okay? We have the battery system of the trailer, everything, and this is the brain of the trailer. You can control everything here from the radar system, and we can also download the app and go through your phone, and you can turn on the rock lights, fridge, and everything, water pump. It is amazing how amazing is this radar system. I mean, for talking about that system, we need to go in a deeply video and go extending on that. Let's just keep walking on the trailer. We have a two water tank from 65 liter each tank on the bottom of the trailer. That way you're gonna have water, plenty of water. If you can see here on the inside of the trailer, you can see the water containers. You can also see the power inverter from the radar system there. Everything is inside the trailer. I've been hitting the trails over this weekend. You see everything is mud, doing water crossing, and everything is clean inside the truck. In the back of the trailer, we have two big drawers that you can storage. I storage all my recovery equipment here, the swim arm here. The trailer is equipped with a Taruka 270 Darnex edition awning. This one is 270 plus. That means they open a little bit more from the front and I go all the way around from the back. This awning is the 2024 edition. That is the one I have on my truck. The canvas is reinforced, is waterproof. It is, I will say, like for extreme condition, because you can notice that this awning doesn't have legs. That way, you don't need it. They include one leg on their package. You can always order extra, but those legs will be for extreme condition. Let's say a really windy situation on a beach, or extreme condition. I never need to use the legs on my awning on my truck. And this one here, this trailer is equipped with the Taruka 270 Extreme Darkness Edition as well. Here, this is my trail bag. This one is from Inca 4x4. I will say it's part of my truck. It's an accessory because always when I go to my trips, I carry my trail bag. It is a trash bag as well. This one here, you have a lot of stuff here. First, you can see the Velcro, but here it is a reinforced canvas. That way they're not gonna fade. Like most of the trash bags on the market, they fade with the sun. Mine is just dirty. I've been running this one for 4 to 6 months and it's stayed the same. We have here, I have the trash here, but also you have two compartments. That way you can separate the trash from the charcoal or for any accessories that you want to carry here. Even if you're gonna carry dirty clothes, if you go to the beach, you're gonna put a wet towel, you can put it here inside the trail bag because I have hole to drain the water. I also have a space here on the side that you can put your cutting table or more extra space. I will say that all the accessories that we get for this type of truck, like the Overland truck, you can give it your own spirit on how you're gonna use your accessories. I don't want to tell you this is just for trash. That's why it's not called a trash bag, because it's not for trash. It is a trail bag that you're gonna have extra storage in the back of your on the spare tire. But actually, when I'm not running the trailer, the same straps work on the tailgate of my truck. That way, if I don't have the trailer, if I don't have a spare tire, I can use the same bag on the back of my truck and carry. Here, if we are gonna keep going, here we have an extra space. I have my Zero Breeze. This is the air conditioner that I use for my tent. I'm from Florida. Most of the time we have it's hot over there. Even in the winter, we have some weekends that it's really hot, but the next following one is cold. We always carry our Zero Breeze. Even during the day, we can, I have a puppy, sometimes he is, panting, and we just turn on the Zero Breeze, and you're gonna have a blast of cool breeze inside your tent. We have an extra storage here. Here I carry my mattress. This is the water heater, okay, when we take a shower, because this trailer, it is equipped with a water heater as well. It is propane. They work with propane and have all the water connection here, and actually have the propane here. They allow you to carry 2 propane tank of 20 pounds each one. Right now I have my charcoal and the propane tank here because you can decide how you're gonna set up your trailer. We have more AC lights, propane connection for the kitchen, and in here we have another storage. I have right now here my solar panels inside here. This trailer, they carry Cruise Master suspension. That way it's a pretty nice suspension. If you can see the undercarriage of this trailer, more videos, you will see all the suspension they have. They have 4 massive shocks on the bottom. You can do crawling, you can do whatever you wanted with this trailer, and this trailer, they're gonna flip over, they're gonna follow you, and you can go anywhere you wanted with this trailer. Let's just keep going here on my truck. We have here, as well as the trailer, we have the 270 2024 Darkness Edition 270 plus. That means they open from the front. But in my truck, I have a different. I have the D-zip design. This one allow you to go and climb to your tent. If you have clamshell tent and your ladders here on the back of your truck because you have a SUV or you have a different setup, you can use this type of awning. Taruka has a different options on their website. We choose this one because we can come here and go to our tailgate, and I can jump through this hole here, and I can open the windows on my tent. You know, it is an easy access. You can see the difference between both awnings on their website. My truck is on the website. Just feel free to check out taruka.com. If you're gonna keep going here, sorry because my truck is a mess. We've been trailing. We have okay. We have here. I have my truck is a mess right now because I'm doing trail right now. I have a 75 liter Dometic fridge, and here these boxes. If you are wondering about these boxes, I have just a rigid boxes that I use for the storage here. And like I say, every truck is different. Every person is different. You can use your truck for your accessory for many options. Don't follow what the website say. The website told you the recommendation, dimension, and all that, but you can make it your own, all the accessories. To finish the video, let's come here quickly to the front. I'm gonna tell you that we're now running ST lights. All my off-road lights will be a ST. And here in Safe Expo next weekend, we're gonna have all the setup of my lights. We're also gonna get the badass mounts for my ditch lights. But yep, this is a new sponsor that jumped on our truck. But coming here, we have the ANSO headlight here. This is for Chevy Silverado, but they have for all the brands. They have the LED initiation features that, for those lights. And we also run Midland radios. We have the 575 Midland radio. This is our antenna. And most of the people, they ask me why we carry two antennas. Is because we have a CB radio, is that one there. And this is the regular radios that everybody have the handheld and all that. Okay, we have that is called GMRS radios. Okay, the GMRS radio is inside the truck. Yep, that is my truck. If you have any questions, just feel free to leave a comment on this video. Feel free to ask. Feel free to, if you have any questions, just, we're here as an Inca 4x4 helping doing the walkthrough of my truck. My name is Carlos from Inciarte 4x4. Thank you guys. Stay tuned for more videos.